All right, what I have today is this big pine tree right here, right along the driveway of my woodlot. A lot of the top, I'll show you. The top on this side over here is starting to die, and a lot of the branches here are dead. So a couple times I come in here and there's branches on the ground, so I'm just gonna cut this. It looks like because this branch right here, there's so much weight leaning here, I should be able to fall it right down the middle of my woodlot driveway here. So I'm going to measure and see the cross section just to prove that theory, to show that you can measure around, and then you take that measurement all the way around the circumference divided by 3.14, and it gives you the cross section. So I'll show you that, and then we'll come back after I cut this tree down. I'm going to cut it right about there. So I'm going to measure it around there. And check out this little tiny tape measure. I have no idea where this came from. It was in a box of tools that I got. It's actually a pretty cool little tape. It's got a little lock on the side, but anyway, so, all right. So that measures about 67 around. So 67 divided by 3.14 gives you the cross section. When I cut it, the cross section. So I'm going to paste this out to kind of give you an idea how tall that tree is, right? So my average step is about 3 feet. So let's go like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So 37 steps, which means this thing is over 100 feet tall, okay? So now I'm going to make that notch, cut this tree. We'll see how close I come to my stick. You see where my stick is? Right there. See my stick? All right, let's give it a try. It's almost dark, so we'll get this done quick. And today I'm using my Holzfforma 395 XP. See? You see right there? It's got a 24-inch bar. Great saw. I don't care what brand it is. It works perfectly fine. So here we go. Down there. Okay, you can see the stick is there. All right, the tree is way over there. All right, so here we go. Let's get this clear. Here we go. I think that was pretty good. That tree was a disaster. It just kind of exploded. And yeah, so this is back about, well, this distance right here. I know it kind of looks tough, but this distance because the top broke. Hey, you can't change the rules in the middle of the game. Yeah, okay. So anyway, that's about 10 feet, maybe a little bit more than 10 feet. So I was a little off, but let's just say that tree was 100 feet tall. So now I'm gonna get it cut up with my 395 XP Holzfforma because that saw does it awesome. And yeah, you see how dead this is? Look at this. Like it all just broke. That broke right there. That crotch did. Yeah, it's no good. No bueno. So yeah. I'm actually going to turn this into pine firewood because I have a campground. It's it's probably 20 miles from here, but they've been begging for pine firewood. So we'll get this cut up. And what did I say before? All right, we'll put that there. And it's like 21 and a half maybe. So yeah, whoops. 21, probably 21-ish. Go this way. So 20 and a half, maybe 21. All right, so yeah, let me get this cut up. Listen to this Holzfforma chainsaw. Listen to her go. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow morning and I'll get this cleaned up. You see I got quite a mess, but it's dark, so I don't want to run the chainsaw in the dark. I don't mind doing other stuff like splitting and stuff, but I don't want to run the chainsaw in the dark, so I will check back in the morning. Okay, well, I made it back. We had a little snowstorm last night. It's awesome. You know, it just makes everything wet enough to make you frustrated, but it is what it is. So some people are probably going to say, hey, you know, that was a perfectly good saw log. The bottom of this tree is, you know, the 16-footer. If you go up 16 feet, it's not really that big, and it's got a weird little thing on the side of it, so it's not really round. But what I had said when I started this video was, I got a call from a local campground that needs pine this coming summer, and I told them I could probably do it, you know, in smaller volumes, and I'm going to use this tree. I already have some totes full of pine. I'm going to use this tree to get started on it. So yes, I'll make less money cutting and splitting this up into little small pieces for bundles, but at $5 a bundle, that one 16-foot tree is going to make me about between $150 and $175. That's not a lot of work for that money. Sawmilling, it makes sense to take this and, you know, if I had a sawmill right behind the camera, I would just obviously bring it over there and saw it and mill it. But then I have to make sure that I have customers that are interested in buying it. I have to stack it, stick it, and dry it. And then I have to make sure that when a customer does want it, if they want it green, I have to coordinate that for them to buy it. And we live in the Adirondacks. There are trees everywhere. Cutting this little pine tree down means nothing to me. It's firewood for people who want to enjoy it. If I needed lumber, honestly, for me, I'll just go to the store and buy the lumber. If I sell this because it's so much faster, I can take the money, I can go to the lumber yard, and I can pick through the pile to get to what I need. It may not be the best quality, but I can still pick through the pile. So, yes, this would have been a perfect saw log. It's not anymore. It's firewood. It is what it is. And I'll probably do it again. And now you can see how much wood that is. All right, that's quite a few rounds. There, there, here, up here. See that? That's my saw log. So now I'm gonna grab my Ford 1720 and I'm actually gonna push. We're just gonna push all that brush right there and over to the pile. See how much I can get all at once. And that one was underneath so much brush. I do have to come back and cut it, but no big deal. I'll just get this all done. So let's do that. First, I have to put fuel in the tractor. Unfortunately, they still take fuel. It is completely full. So, yeah, my Coyote, 6 gallons in that would not be, 6 gallons in that won't go very far. But then again, that has twice as much horsepower as this. Almost, not quite twice as much, but pretty much. It definitely feels like twice as much, but because the tractor's so much bigger. All right, let's get this. We gotta get her started up. They're warmed up. Just like that. So, yeah, I might be crazy turning saw logs into firewood, but I don't think so. Yeah. Now, because the ground is kind of soft, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave these here for a little bit. And then what I'm probably going to do is go over to my other side over there where the 1165V is. And probably bring that over here. This firewood is going to a campground, so it makes bundle wood pretty easily. So there's quite a bit there. For a tree that the top was all dying, now I'm going to turn it into something that I can put in my wallet. So that's it.